reported speech. Okay, clear? And what is indirect speech? Tell me. Indirect.
The actual words said by the another speaker or another person.
The speaker's actual word reproduced by the narrator in his or her own words, called indirect speech. For example, give any statement.
He said that he was
He was
violent.
going
This is
indirect speech.
indirect speech.
I
Okay,
see.
just a minute. He said, comma, inverted comma, I am fine. Right? Is it clear? Which kind of sentence is this?
Indirect speech.
Okay, so two things you have to keep in your mind. First, you have to identify the tense of both the sentence. Here you can see two sentences. In this one sentence, you can see two sentences. One is inside inverted comma and one out of inverted comma, right? So this part is called reporting verb or reporting verb, and inside inverted comma is called reported speech. Clear?
Yes.
Why it is called reported speech? Because these are the speaker's actual word. Got it? These are the speaker's actual word. Clear? Now we have to change these words, means reproduced by the speaker, by the narrator, whoever is telling about the speaker. So suppose I am a narrator and I am telling about the words of he. Clear? So that time I write these words in my word. Clear? So for this we have to follow some rules, changes. That how many changes we follow when we go to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Clear? So how many changes are there? Three changes. What are these? First, person related change. Which change? Person related change means change in pronoun or person, both. Pronoun भी उसी से related है. Okay, person related change. What is person related change? What does mean by person related change? Yes. What are the persons? Yes, Sarthak. How many persons are there? Tell me personal pronoun. Pronoun. Generally we know three persons, right? How many persons? First person speaker, second person listeners, and third person the other we are talking about. Is it clear? So first person I. And what is the plural of I? We. We is the plural. Okay. These are the person I am talking here. Okay. Clear? And what is second person? You. Right?
They.
Is also you. And what are the other third person? So this is first person, this is second person, and now we are talking about third person. Masculine? He. Right? And what is the plural of he? Very good. They. And feminine? She. Plural is also they. Right? And what is about non-living thing? It. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Plural will be there for this also. Okay. If we are talking about more than one non-living thing, that is also there. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the formula of changing a person in persons? Means what are the changes in person? What we have to follow when we are going to change the person of reported speech? I have given one formula for this.
Son
सन अपॉन 1 to 3 एक ही बात है, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं आप. 1 to 3, right? What is it?
Subject, object.
First person change according to subject. Second person change according to object, and third person no change. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
First person change according to subject, right? So which person is there?
First.
person is there?
First person.
First person. So it will change according to
Subject.
subject. Right? So what will be here? Change the sentence. Sarthak will change. Yes. And tell me which kind of sentence is this? Kind of sentence. You have to tell two things here. Kind of sentence and kind of tense. Which kind of tense is this in this sentence? Present indefinite, present perfect, present continuous. Which? Yes.
He said he was fine. That he was fine.
Huh? He said that.
Start.
Yes, everyone. Second change is tense related change, and third change is nearness verb related change. So what is tense related change? You have to see the tense of reported speech. Okay. If reported speech tense is in present indefinite, that will change into past indefinite. Right? If there is are, so will change into was done. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If present continuous, then past continuous. If present perfect, then will change into past perfect. If present perfect continuous, will change into
Past perfect continuous.
Okay. If there is past indefinite,
Then
Past
then
perfect.
past perfect. It will change into
Past
perfect. And if there is present past perfect, past continuous,
Past perfect.
so we'll change into past perfect
Continuous.
Okay, and then if past perfect here,
No change.
change. Past perfect continuous,
No change.
clear? If we talk about future, future indefinite, like these are also modal auxiliary verb, so will change into would. Shall will change into should, or also in would. Okay, and can into could, may into might. Is it clear? Okay, so as you can see the example of it, M has changed into was. Is it clear? Okay, and nearness word like today,
that day.
yesterday, tomorrow.
Day
So
after
these will
tomorrow.
change into their nearness word like today will change into that day, yesterday will change into the previous day, tomorrow will change into the
Day after.
the next day or the following day. The next day or the following day. Okay. Like weeks will change. Now will change into them. Is it clear? Here will change into there. Okay. So these are the changes of it. So all the changes are clear to you. Person related change, tense related change, and nearness word related change. Now we will talk about the exception. So note down those exceptions. What are the exceptions here? If our reporting verb in present or futures any tense. Okay? अगर हमारी reporting verb present और future के किसी भी kind में है, then the tense of reported speech will not change. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर यहाँ पर he says, he will say, he has said, ऐसा कोई भी वर्ड यूज हुई है प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर की कोई भी वर्ब यूज हुई है, then the tense of reported speech will not change. Is it clear? If it is in past tense, so definitely tense will change. But if it is in past tense, that has already, so and there the reported speech in universal truth, habitual task. Universal truth or habitual task, that time our reported speech tense will be
Not change.
same. This will not change. Okay? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. We follow if there is after this reporting verb object is there, said to Rita. So this will change into told because this is statement. Okay? Then the reporting verb will change into told if object is given. Okay? But if there is no object, then that will be same like this side. Is it clear? And in inverted place of inverted comma, we'll use the conjunction that to combine these two sentences. Is it clear? To join these two sentences, we'll use the conjunction that. Is it clear? Okay. But if there is a question, that time this said to will change into asked. Because this is a question. Is it clear? So whatever your sentence is denoting or reported speech, according to that, you have to use here your reporting verb. Is it clear? Because here you are just the subject reporter is telling the simply about the statement. Okay, that is why we have taken told. If object is given, if object is not given, then same we will write. Okay, but in question, because he is asking or she is asking, okay, the reporter is asking, isn't it? So this time we'll use whatever the sentence is denoting. If it is denoting about the other wish, if there is a wish, so that time we'll use wish. If there is any declaration or is there any information given by someone, so that time we'll write inform. Is it clear? So here we just see that a simple question is there. So Rita asked Rohit,
Would you?
then in place of inverted comma, because the question in yes or no. If the question is in yes or no, that time the conjunction if or whether will use, and this question will change into statement. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के प्लेस पर हम कंजंक्शन इफ या वेदर यूज करेंगे. ओके, इफ या वेदर, एंड जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है वो चेंज हो जाता है स्टेटमेंट में. किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? कैसे चेंज करेंगे आप इसको बताइए. रीता टू नहीं आएगा बेटा, सेट टू को ही हमने आस्क्ड में चेंज किया. ओके, रीता आस्क्ड रोहित, if
he would be
we would be क्यों आ रहा है बेटा? If he would come
the following
the following day. Very good answer. The
Following day.
following day. Is it clear?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
will be only statement. If there is a question with WH word, if Rita asks Rohit, why did you not come tomorrow? Change this statement. Write down in your notebook and change this statement. Rita asks Rohit, why will you not come tomorrow? So Rita asked Rohit why he would not come the following day. Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me Gorisha said. Gorisha said. Please give me 1 glass water. Clear? This was your statement. Okay? Change this into passive voice. Oh, sorry, indirect speech. Change this into indirect speech. Shreya? Yes, beta. Listen the rules of it. Rules are clear to you? Yes. Clear? What? We have to join these sentences. Gorisha said. Yes, we have to join these sentences. Infinitive to. Okay? Clear? Okay. So change this. Yes, Anas. Change beta. What? Gorisha said she requested. Very good answer. So we have to use here this word, like we have to change into a verb denoting command, request or advice, suggestion. Clear? तो हमें यहाँ पर हमारे जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है उसको चेंज करना होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैनर ऑफ द वर्ब हियर. क्लियर? अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ब डिनोटिंग कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट, व्हाटएवर. क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी विल से हियर? Gorisha requested, right? Requested. Now we have to join these sentences using infinitive to. Clear? In place of conjunction. As earlier we were like in statement and question, we were using the conjunction. Okay, conjunction that in statement, or if or whether in questions. The questions we are asking with yes or no. Okay, and we were using WH word in place of conjunction. with WH word. Clear? When we are going to join these sentences, okay, making them separate in indirect speech. Clear? And this time Garisha requested to give her 1 glass water. Clear? Is there any doubt? Yes, everyone. Stop. Which kind of sentence is this? Oh, command. Very good. And this one? This one statement, question, what, imperative. Which kind of sentence is this? Statement. Okay, so change these both the sentences into indirect speech. Change, everyone. Yes. Garisha, come this side. Come here. And change this one into indirect speech. Yes. Here you may write or here you may write. Okay, first one. The teacher ordered, very good. The teacher ordered to be quiet and listen to her words. Very good answer. So, did you get this, everyone? Yes, everyone. Did you get this?
Yes.
She has written a correct answer. The teacher ordered to be quiet and ordered them. Okay, ordered them. Clear? So, them also you have to mention, because to whom teacher ordered? Right? So, teacher ordered them to be quiet and listen to her words. Her refers to teacher here. Is it clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Change the second one. Girl. Come this side. Come here. If you will do by yourselves, then you will learn better. Okay? Come. Here you may run. This is statement. So no problem. He explained. And you may use the conjunction according to the statement. But this is statement. So explain will come here. He explained, and H should be capital if you are going to write one sentence. Okay. Good. He explained that, very good, that he yes, beta sentence is in past perfect, and if it is in past perfect, then no change will be there. So he had just turned out the light. Is it clear now? Yes, everyone.
Yes.
So you also have to find out this, that if your sentence is in past perfect or past perfect continuous, so that time the tense of the sentence will not change. Is it clear? So he had just
Turn off the light.
turned out the light. Clear? That is why I had told you that learn and revise your tenses again. Clear? Tenses and types of sentence. Types of sentence will help you to identify that which kind of sentence is this and in what manner we have to change it. Clear? And tense will help you to understand the sentence and identify the sentence. Then if if the changes is needed here, the changes are needed here or not. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Change the sentence. First, identify which kind of sentences are okay. These and then change this into indirect speech. Yes. Tell me that. Which is kind of sentence is this? Exclamatory. Okay. So change this. As I have told that you have to change this reporting verb into the manner here. Okay. Like this is denoting to surprise. So change this. से पता चल रहा है that it is a joy, isn't it? So she exclaimed with joy. Is it clear to you? She exclaimed with joy. What? That conjunction that you will use here. Okay. That water nahi. That it was a water will change into very. Okay. Very beautiful. That it was a very beautiful scene. Because what a beautiful scene. Okay. So ये पता चला हमें that this is in present tense. Okay. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That with joy that it was
Very beautiful.
a very
Beautiful.
beautiful scene. Clear? Right? This will change into statement. Okay. Then Kevin said to Mark, congratulations. So Kevin wished
Mark.
Mark congratulations. ठीक है? Clear? Yes, everyone. And sorry, this one you can change like that. Wished, a thank or congratulations. But one more main rule is there that Kevin congratulated Mark. Okay. This verb you will use here in reporting verb. Clear? Kevin congratulated
Mark.
Okay, everyone? Congratulated Mark. Okay? Kevin congratulated Mark. If Kevin said to Mark, happy birthday. Okay? Then
Congratulations.
Kevin wished to Mark.
Kevin